We start with four chart, just to give you a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, since the price exactly was within here, we discussed how we can look for trade. I mean, and we mentioned if the price tag the previous low or break, then from there, if you want to look for buy is a better opportunity as what we expected the price drop. And even we mentioned if the price reverse from here, how we can look for trade. And I mentioned any opportunity for buy will be a short-term trade, but the price didn't move because you mentioned we can put a warning tree above the top. We discussed about that. Anyway, there was no opportunity for buy as a reversal, and as what we expected, we get next drop. That's why I mentioned if we get this drop, then from there, this is the best. Okay. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. And if we move to weekly chart, first of all, based on weekly chart, as we can see, still we are within this zone. We are within this correction. The breakout of this one is very important for us to confirm we are within the uptrend and we can expect for continuation, even a price tag or break the all-time high. But as long as the price is within this correction, that means we are trading within this one. We need to be quite careful because how about if the price tag the top, then drop this one, turn to a more complex correction for continuation before we get the continuation. Anyway, since the overall market is start to move, we are expecting to see the breakout of this correction. We are not really interested or for sell, or we are not looking for sell as well. Okay, that means we're looking for buy, but we need to be aware of this possibility that uh, if the price couldn't break this correction. Anyway, we don't have any targets based on weekly chart. The only thing is the breakout of this correction is very important for us, and we want to see the breakout of the 11 cent following by 16 cent. Then from there, if the price could break 11 and 16, then from there we can give update how high it can go. All right. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. We move to daily chart. The only thing is, based on daily chart, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within here, we discuss about the next drop. Okay, that's why I come up with this lines. I mentioned we are expecting for the next drop, then how deep it can go before we look for buy. As what I again, and I mentioned, we prefer to see the next drop. We see the breakout of this low, which based on forward chart will be more clear before we look for the next trade setup. Anyway, for buy. Anyway, as what we expected, the price drop and tag 0.088. And from now, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But we have to look for the trade setup because simply we cannot take the trade because if there is a continuation, this is the next following by third, second, and third level, we can expect the price to drop because we mentioned how deep it can go. We come up with these lines. Anyway, at this point for me, I'm looking for buy. If I get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, I will take it. And even in my last analysis, I mean, we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, this is the target 12 following by 14 cent. And with the breakout of the 14, we're looking for the 16. That's why I mentioned the breakout of this one will be important for us. And to make it very simple, for at this point, for me, if I get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, I will take it. But we should know that simply we cannot look for buy. We have to wait or look for the trade setup. And even based on forward chart, as what we expected, this is what we get. If you put this low relative to the previous one, we have a divergence. And this is what I highlighted in my last analysis. That's why I mentioned if we get the next drop, we can expect to see have a divergence. And that's why I'm looking for buy. Again, we have to wait for the trade setup or look for the trade setup based on forward chart. I don't see any trade setup, and it depends. The trade setup when I'm mentioning the trade setup, it depends on the strategy the traders they're using. But as a simple way for me, we can if we get any reversal as a sharp move flag, we will take it. And having entry above this can be an option. But we should know that having entry above this, what we want to price sharply reverse tag, break, and continue with the price tag. We see there is no continuation as a sharp move within the 2 hours, we shouldn't keep the trade. We should take out the trade. Okay. Anyway, we're looking for buy. And if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. Again, simply we don't take the trade because if there is no reversal, we can expect the price drop even to 7 cent. And that's why we have to look for the trade setup. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.